Today we're celebrating our first year anniversary. Although it's kind of late, we still try to maximize the opportunity na pwede natin ibigay sa mga members natin. Like now, we'll be giving away a brand new ADV 160 as well as e-scooters and all our major sponsors.
We're unstoppable now. We're picking up steam, just like a freight train, swimming upstream. The pressure's insane. There's a new day dawning. I feel it.
Start tayo as a small group with very like-minded individuals who believe that manners maketh men, and providing all the systems necessary to make a group a functional one and a mannerful one.
I've gone too many nights chasing the shadow of your silhouette, moving just to survive. All that I wanted was to start again, stumbling through the crowd, feet lifting off the ground, looking for you, washing my fear away, standing here face to face, nothing to lose. I won't look back now. I feel the love, I wanna get to know.
May this serve as an inspiration lalo na sa mga bago sa motor, aspirants, and yun talagang literally ngayon pa lang nagsisimulang matuklasan ng mundo at ang saya ng pagmamotor.
I feel the love, I wanna get to know you. I feel the love, let the past burn into the sun. Can't get enough, so much I wanna show you
Alright, so sa mga members na dumalo sa ating anniversary, maraming salamat mga kap. Kulang at hindi matatawaran ng lahat ng inyong suporta sa ating anniversary. May we always continue to push for our core values, our mission, our vision, and may we celebrate life as it is. Hindi tayo habang buhay makakapagmotor mga kap. At snappy salute sa lahat ng nagpunta.
washing my fear away, standing here face to face, nothing to lose. I won't look back now. I feel the love, I wanna get to know you. I feel the love, let the past burn into the sun. I feel the love, I really wanna show you now. I feel the love, I wanna get to know you. I feel the love, let the past burn into the sun. Can't get enough, so much I wanna show you
Lalo na kapag naka-ADV 160 ka, sana makasali ka sa grupo, ma-enjoy mo lahat ng mga opportunities na pwedeng makuha sa isang riding group. At along the way, mag-guide ng properly. Because there's always a saying, di ba, na kapag nasimulan mo ng maganda, magtatapos ka ng maganda.